Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play the victory run in eFootball 2024. So this is the long running match versus AI event. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can complete the objectives and challenge the event so you get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap the dream team, tap the events and drag. This is the last one versus AI match victory run. Tap the enter. So this is a long running versus AI event. Start from a difficulty level that best suits your personal skill level, and you can get reward training point experience 10,000 3 times. Tap enter. So there are objective here. Aim for 4 wins, maximum number of match 6, and the difficulty is amateur, regular, professional, top player, superstar, and the last one is legend. So you can try it to master this event so you can get the rewards. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click the next button below. Enjoy the game.